Paano niyo po pinapahalagahan ang feedback mula sa iyong audience? Paano mo ito ginagamit para sa iyong improvement?
Everything. Kung may kung there's a more stretch, kung may mas stronger na driving force other outside myself is yung audience. So most of the stuff that became, I don't know, viral, you would say viral or more popular videos of mine came from the suggestions of the audience. Doon din ako doon din ako namumuhunan ng ideas and for more content. Like I watch, tinitignan ko yung comment section, tinitignan ko yung mga parts na kung saan mas mahaba yung engagement. Tas, oh, I should do more of this kasi ito yung hinahanap nila. So it's more of like a consumer centric. Kung anong gusto ng consumer, di ibibigay ko. Ganun lang. But of course, I have to package it in my own style. So paggawa ko ng content,